guys, so I thought I'd just do a quick demo using the Wylera Dreamwave and show you all how to use it. So here it is. This is a must-have if, like me, you're really unco when it comes to trying to curl your own hair. So it's really easy to use and really straightforward. So it's not complicated, nothing difficult. It's not tricky to wrap things around and do all that sort of stuff. So it's really simple and straightforward. So we just turn it on and organize our settings. So I've currently got it on the right at 180 degrees, and it's going to take 12 seconds for each curl. So I've done half my hair underneath here, so I thought I would show you how I do the top part. Okay, so we're just going to take a section of hair, we place it over the chamber, press the start button. That's going to collect all the hair, wrap it around. The double beat means all the hair's ready to go, and now we wait the 12 seconds. When you hear a double beep, it means that it's time to take it away. Now the best part is it doesn't actually hold on to any hair, so nothing's going to get caught. You're not going to be stuck trying to unwrap your hair from anything. It's really simple to use. And look how beautiful those curls are. Alright, so we go again. See, we place it just over the section there. Okay, so my hair is all curled now, and I'm just going to run a brush through it just to break them up. And there we have it. Alright, so this is the finished look. I've just finished brushing them out a little bit more. And like I said, I've never been able to curl my hair at home before. It's impossible for me, but not anymore. Look at these beautiful curls. And it took me about 8 minutes start to finish. So super quick and easy, so easy to use. And like I said before, completely portable, so you can take it anywhere. I'm off to Josh's cousin's baby shower this afternoon. Just waiting for Josh to get home, and then we can head off. So yeah, not a bad way to spend the afternoon with my pretty little curls. And yeah, I think I might pin this little part back. I really need to get some of those pretty pearl hair clips now that I can style my hair like this. It looks so good. Look at those curls. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed my quick little demo, and yeah, see you guys soon.